We're back, and today's video begins with dashcam footage from the victim of a recent attempted carjacking by knife in a tunnel, and ends with body cam footage from the Seattle Police Department pursuing the suspected carjacker while being swarmed and stung by wasps. And here we go.
Seattle Police, get your hands up. Turn around and get on the ground. Get on the ground right there.
281, we have our suspect running.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Ground. Get your hands behind your back. Do not reach. Stay.
You hear me, doggy?
Stay on the ground.
You hear me, doggy? You hear me? What's it do?
Get over here.
Oh, I'm getting stung, dude.
I'm getting...
Yep.
Turn around.
You send me home? I'm coming.
Get on your
Turn
stomach.
around.
Watch out, Danny.
Yeah, watch
Good
that
job,
fall, Danny. Watch that.
All right, come on, let's get up.
Thank you, guys.
Hey, man, relax. It's over.
I'm a move.
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, is it nettles?
No, it's yellow jackets everywhere, dude.
Come on, man. Oh, yeah, we gotta grab him and go.
Come on.
We gotta go.
I got him from this.
Come on.
Ah. Oh.
Bro, what? Water.
Yep, we're getting you there, buddy. We're getting you water.
Thanks for watching out.
I have EpiPens if someone needs it now.
We're gonna get you some water. You're just water,
right now.
relax.
I'm not water, bro.
Just sit down right there. We try to get you away from the bees. You understand that?
Hey, water. I got water.
Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, a nation's morals are like its teeth. The more decayed they are, the more it hurts to touch them.